My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that come from the site Mc1.lensus.click. Mc1.lensus.click is a deceptive website that may suddenly attack Google Chrome and other browsers, but mainly Google Chrome is being attacked. Mc1.lensus.click displays a lot of frustrating messages. It says that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. It also displays some other frustrating messages, and then it tries to trick you into clicking on this Stay Protected button, supposedly to help your computer be protected against malware. But in reality, it's a mistake to interact with all these pop-ups because they actually promote certain potentially unwanted software. If you click on this Stay Protected button, you would be redirected to some other questionable sites that may promote some other totally different software. It is not the one that is initially advertised. So there is something really misleading about all these pop-ups, and you should not trust them. Don't ever interact with them. In case any potentially unwanted programs were mistakenly installed, check your available applications and get rid of any programs that are suspicious. I also recommend that you additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and this is the way the program looks like. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. In my case, it is in the premium mode already. But even the trial mode has got several free features. They are Disk Cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Believe me, even these three free features will help you to essentially optimize the general performance of your computer. Combo Cleaner would first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. In fact, you cannot terminate the update process, so you need to wait until the antivirus database of Combo Cleaner is successfully updated. Then, after it gets successfully updated, the scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus will begin. I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Depending on your operating system, the website combocleaner.com will automatically offer you the version that is applicable for your computer. So we have just a couple of moments remaining until the antivirus database is updated. After that, you need to click on Start Combo Scan button and begin researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to essentially improve the general performance of your Windows or Mac computers. Combo Cleaner detects threats like adware, ransomware, browser hijackers, unwanted browser extensions, pop-ups, and other kinds of threats. So you need to wait until the scanning is successfully accomplished. Then at the end of the scan, you will see the report. You will be able to know the exact locations of the threats on your computer, even though some threats, of course, can be removed manually. We do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your system always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So in the antivirus section, you will see this report. We recommend upgrading to premium to make sure your system is free of any threats.